All right. Today on the social media justice platform, tiri kubata mkoma saintfloew. Lately, I heard one wakawanda vachicomplaina vachipopota, no it can't. Zvanyanya zvaenderera ye mutarisi azorombesa mufana and so forth. So I took my time to look into this issue. First of all, saintfloew is a very, very talented rapper. Muimbi, anogona, and he is in his prime right now. But then, anizvakaita on his last performance. Saintfloew akauya ari mucoffin. Ndobva pasi. Simza roko ndobva abuda mucoffin. And he started performing. A lot of people were complaining, a lot of people wanga vachirira nenyaya iyi. So, zvakaita zvakaipa here? That's the main question. According to me, what he did is fine. It's okay. He's an artist. An artist is an actor. And my visuals anobatsira understanding ye audio. Yes. So, it was a visual performance. And a message I pass. Looking at the nation of Zimbabwe on its own, we are more like in a coffin, socially, politically, economically. We are in a coffin. We are not saying Ningin there depends on coffin. No. We are not saying Chakano depends on coffin. No. We are just in a coffin. We are dead. Everything is dead, right? So, for an artist to perform such a display, it can be even a prophetic message to the nation of Zimbabwe that you are going to resurrect. Dai akatanga performer of us come coffin that I know this guy it's all dead. But akabram coffin could have performed. And looking at his personal life, remember we are talking about someone aruba Murieb, Kondator Murieb, right? My drugs are not real life, so his life was dead. So Buddha coffin target no. This is my time for resurrection. Damutswa food. And this is life. He's portraying life. He's declaring life. And from drugs. Yeah. So, I heard other people saying, this guy, achinja here. Guys, to be honest, kuchinja kuri mumoyo. Remember we said that an artist is also an actor. Pamwaito actors as a real yakuti agone kuindosa album rake. It's a possibility, and we actually don't know, and we don't care. Because it's his own life. You can't come out in the public and lie to us that you are trying to improve your life and then you remain the same person. Ishali yakoka. Because my drugs are not missing. But then my worry is, if he is still an addict, he is not only a risk to himself, but also to the youth, to the general population, listener to his music, to his fans. Because probably we all know the lyrics, whatever, and we all know about tea. So, as fans, we really hope that this guy is having a genuine resurrection. This guy is having a genuine revival. Right. So, Varkumu attack because of his performance. I think let us take time to also look at the other side. I know that Zimbabwe, tinonyebera zvedu ngetisiri cultural, but we are so cultural. We are so cultural. Zvekuti, it's very hard for us to evolve and adopt some things, even though some of the things really weird at the end. It's just not meant for us, not meant for us as a nation, as a people. It's just not meant for us as a society. We can never comprehend those things. And I think that coffin performance is one of those things that we can never comprehend, we can never accept, we can never tolerate, we can never celebrate. So also as an artist is also supposed to look at all those things. I'm telling you, this is a break or make situation right now. It's a break or make situation. It's a break or make situation. that performance ichatemena kwachaenda, either is going to rise now from there and lead, or is going to fall and never rise again. So I don't know, let us give it time, but you will not cheat. Is it okay? Is it not okay? I don't know, it's up to you. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Let us meet again on our next episode. Andichawanika pamenimo sanditsvage kumabhuza, right? Urungwere ngwerewere terevere mulundu kwa amazing, right? Okay, ava vanonzi silent killer chibabaudo. Alright guys, a lot of people are talking about this guy. He is actually trending, and it's a good thing that is trending. It's actually not his first time to trend. I think this is around his third time. Like paanyatso trend as kuti vataurwe. I think the first time ndo pakaita blow up nesong yekuti musanditsvage pamabhuza andichawanike pamenimo and so forth. It was a good song. Ndakaloka mastreets emugarrison ndiri kupisa kupfuura hondo yepaLebanon, right? I actually think that track was good. It was okay, everything was fine, yeah. But then the other time angapondana nemnin'ina wafanta nere, something like that, and now vadzoka zvakare vachipisa. This one is quite tricky and it's scary to tackle on. Semunhu ari kutrenda ane vanhu vakawanda vari kudya naye, so you can't really say out. But then what is the purpose of this platform? Where is the justice if we can't just say it, right? So yeah, I'm actually very doubtful of his future. I've said it. I'm doubtful of his future, especially in the music and arts industry. But then there was something that I was pondering upon. Why am I doubtful of this guy? There's a difference between continuity and rhyming. So this guy actually rhymes, no continuity, and he's creative. However, he's creative, which is a talent that he has got. We can't take that away from him. He's very creative. But then I was wondering, what if iriyo art yake? What if zvirizo zvaanofanira kunge achitongoita? And then if that is the case, then yeah, the future can be bright. It depends nekuti how far are we willing to go now. That's the bottom line. Because as far as I know, Zimbabweans, they just hype you, whether they're liking it or not. They just hype you for the sake of hyping you. Banana, they know voxia pashisha, and then you fall alone. We have so many people Zimbabweans. The likes of a snake under grass. And so forth, but deep down they knew no, this is nonsense that we are supporting. But then they supported the guy, they helped the guy vakamsimbisa mukupisa mdara, and only after 2 months and it's because there was nothing to follow, so people, they just couldn't stay on his brand. So angel of war, Girozi Yondo, I just hope and pray kuti if it is art, like he now has to mature and make it professional, and even zvinhu zvake, so that is not gonna kutambirikawo art yake kuti kwanise kutambirikawo nechembere, because that's the ultimate goal, kuti inzwi iko nechembere nevana vadiki nevanhu vese zvichimeka sense. But I actually like the guy. He's good because agona off to maintain skill rake rororo for a long time. He's been in the industry for a long time, and he's done well for himself. And for him to be making noise today, it means that there is something about him, right? Jesus.